19th century, farming was hard work. Harvesting was done with bare hands. But around this time, many machines were invented, which showed the way to the future. Carl Benz invented the first car, and Vanhoff and Siemens the first electric train. Geringhoff used these technical advances and applied them to agriculture. In 1880, Carl Geringhoff founded his company in Aalen and specialized in harvesting technology. First for steam-powered tractors and threshing machines. Geringhoff's goal: to make harvesting easier and more productive, and so improve the living and working conditions of farmers. In addition to threshing machines, Geringhoff later introduced grain and corn drying equipment. We move now to the year 1955. Klaus Mühlmann was already in the company at that time. This is the old factory where I started to work in 1955. At that time, the company was led by the second generation, the daughter of the founder. She was an outstanding personality, a real entrepreneur. These were exciting times, and we were energized to make things happen. Geringhoff recognizes the needs of its customers for corn harvesting equipment and specializes in the development of corn headers. 1956. First, a single-row harvesting header, which was pulled by a tractor, or mounted together with a sheller on a utility truck. This way, working together with Daimler-Benz, Geringhoff created the first European self-propelled combine harvester for corn. Afterwards, Geringhoff builds corn headers with 2, 4, and more rows, which attach directly to the combines. In 1983, a breakthrough. Geringhoff introduces the world's first folding header, which remained mounted to the combine for street transportation. In 1988, Geringhoff starts designing and manufacturing grain mills and grain tables. 1 year later, in 1989, Geringhoff presented the first folding grain table. And then, in 1995, Geringhoff developed the Rotodisc, the patented 3-roller technology with integrated stubble cutter. A further innovation in 2007, Geringhoff enters the sunflower harvesting market and sets new standards with the production of big headers. Geringhoff presents the world's first and only 24-row corn header. Klaus Mühlmann continues to work closely with the owners of Geringhoff, meanwhile in the 5th generation, and with the sales team. Great innovations are the sum of many small details, and that is why the technical details play such a large part in our development. The Geringhoff headers were always a step ahead, and their engineers continue to build upon the solid experience of their predecessors, further driving innovation in harvesting technology. Geringhoff places the highest demands on quality, workmanship, and performance of its machines. Every machine is specially tailored to the specific needs of our customers. Before our machines are shipped, they undergo a strict quality check. The Geringhoff products today. Always in the lead, the Geringhoff corn headers. Harvesting systems to match every harvesting requirement. PCA, the single roller harvest system, especially robust and reliable. The Mace Star, the harvesting system with specially coated double cutting rollers. The Mace Star Horizon with an integrated horizontal stubble cutter. And our patented Rota disc system, the one-of-a-kind triple shaft rotary disc cutting system with integrated stubble cutter. Also available as a Horizon Star with an active horizontal stubble cutter. The high-tech grain tables from Geringhoff. An additional successful Geringhoff product line, the high-tech Geringhoff grain tables, which can meet the challenge of any grain field. The Harvest Star with automatic folding technology for a field change in less than 2 minutes. Vario Star with infinitely variable hydraulic table adjustments to optimally adapt the table length to the conditions. And our unique and one-of-a-kind Harvest Star Vario, our folding grain table with infinitely variable hydraulic table adjustments. Simply the perfect combination. And finally, the Sunflower header from Geringhoff. Uncompromising, minimal harvest loss, and maximum performance. Geringhoff worldwide. Our customer service, naturally available around the clock, 24 hours a day. Visionary, and yet with both feet on the ground. Geringhoff today, represented in more than 42 countries. Listen to what our customers say.
Durability, fantastic. What it does in the field is unbelievable. Awesome is the only word to describe our Rota disc corn head. It will never leave our farm as long as we continue to raise corn.
Wenn wir ernten, ernten wir ausschließlich mit Geringhoff Erntetechnik. Ist doch klar.